Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO K13x and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and update. Then let's tap on language and region, and here we have to focus on this language section. So let's tap on edit. And we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to find yours and then tap on the plus icon next to it. So I will pick Turkish. Just tap on it and confirm it with yes. Now we can go back. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If we've got more than one language added here, we can quickly change the language by reordering them or simply tapping on it. It's actually even easier. So just tap on the language here and tap on this first option in the red, which means change to something. And as you can see right now, we've got English applied. If you'd like to remove the languages from this list, so then just tap on edit. And here in this first section, simply tap on this minus icon next to the specific language. And after getting back, you can see that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.